सब्सक्राइब बटन पर क्लिक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए सिटेक चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन को दबाइए ताकि सबसे पहले लेटेस्ट वीडियो आप देख पाए।
Camera is one of the most used features on a smartphone, and it has always been an important focus area for us. There's a few things in particular that I want to call out. First, the issue of taking pictures in low light conditions. With OIS, if the camera moves, it physically moves the lenses to compensate for that movement. That means it's especially effective at night when the camera needs greater stability for better exposure. The OnePlus 6 main camera has 16 megapixels, which means it's capable of capturing a lot of detail. But going for that high pixel count can have negative effect on the camera's performance in low light. That's because increasing the pixel count over the same sensor area means reducing the size of the pixels themselves. And you need those larger pixels if you want to take good and detailed photos in dark environments. Our solution was to increase the size of the sensor by 19% to 1.22 microns, bringing more light into the sensor and therefore capturing more detail with less noise. Let's look at some of the photos taken with the OnePlus 6 to see what it can do. On this shot to the left, you can see a lot of detail in the cityscape. I really like this one with the neon lights. It makes you feel like you're almost there. So are you impressed? Okay, so that's what we've done to improve the low light image quality. Now, we come to portrait mode. And this has been a fan favorite ever since it launched with the OnePlus 5. And we've loved seeing the pictures you created using it. On the OnePlus 6, portrait mode is faster than ever before. Now, you no longer have to wait between taking a portrait and viewing it. In portrait mode, a secondary sensor allows the camera to calculate distance and therefore distinguish the foreground from the background. Being able to separate the two, portrait mode then drowns out the background and focuses on just the subject. But cameras are as much about fun as they are about precision. So for that reason, we've added great new range of effects like orbs, hearts, and stars, so you can add flair to your portraits too. A software update coming to the camera in a few weeks will also allow you to use portrait mode on the selfie camera as well. And sometimes when you want to show just how fast something is, you need to go slow. Which brings me to a new function of this camera and another one which you can have a lot of fun with: slow motion. Usually, with higher resolutions slow motion on smartphones, you only get something like 0.2 seconds to try and capture what you want. With the OnePlus 6, you can shoot for up to a minute and later choose which specific section you want to have in slow motion. At 480 frames per second, OnePlus 6 is the only smartphone on the market that can shoot slow motion for this long at such a high frame rate. And here's an example of what it can do. There's also a new video editor giving you more control than ever over your creations. For normal video, you can now crop, add filters, and background music. With OIS, create low light performance, new portrait mode features, and slow motion. The OnePlus 6 camera is a camera that we're very excited about, and we look forward to seeing what you create using it. We've shown you a few sample shots from the OnePlus 6 today, and you can see more by checking out our Instagram account. And so people, that's the OnePlus 6. Thank you.